If you are a business owner, accountant, or just someone trying to get a grip on managing finances, then you are in the right place. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, where we simplify software one tutorial at a time. In today's video, we are diving into QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise, one of the most powerful accounting tools designed for growing businesses that need advanced features and control. Whether you're brand new to QuickBooks or switching from another version, this video will guide you step by step through the essentials, from setting up your company file, managing inventory, to generating reports, and more. So, grab a cup of coffee, open up QuickBooks, and let's get started on making accounting a lot easier. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, there is an option here that says Buy Now option or take a product tour. I want you to click the Buy Now button because it will forward you to a new page. All right. As you can see, it gives you three options. The most popular is the Gold, the Platinum, and Diamond. But don't worry, because you can get the QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise 24.0 free at 30 days, absolutely at no cost. Just fill out the information needed. Click the Get Your Trial, then just follow the on-screen instructions. After that, you will be forwarded to this section that says, click here to download your free 30-day trial. Alright, then what will happen is, there's going to be a dialog box later that will give you. As you can see, there's going to be a pop-up window. All I have to do is accept and continue, and of course, just follow with the on-screen instructions. If you are using an antivirus, you might want to give access to the firewall because that could interfere with the installation. As you can see, all I have to do at this point is click the next install button. Alright, it'll take a little while, obviously, but after that, you would be able to use the QuickBooks with no problem. Alright, just wait for it a little bit. Takes a little while, really. Now, QuickBooks Enterprise is one of the most advanced accounting software developed by Intuit, designed primarily for medium to large sized businesses. One of my clients is already using this, and it gives him the robust functionality than what's available in the QuickBooks Online and even the QuickBooks Pro and Premier. Right? Again, the installation may take some time, so I want you to grab a cup of coffee for that. Alright, now it's very important for you to choose to any of the following. Alright, so you can use or choose any of the enterprise solutions, general business, retail, and a lot more. For now, I'm going to choose the first one because it's generally business. That's what I wanted to know. I'm going to click on next, and then you see that there's an option for you to click the finish button. So basically, the installation of QuickBooks takes a little time. So you have to have a patience, right? Click on yes. Now, after installing the QuickBooks Enterprise in your desktop, there are three more ways for you to proceed with the application. You need to create a complete company file, or if you're ready to create your own company file and you want to open an existing file. Now, what I want you to do is click this section. All right, that's going to be this one. So you need to configure the admin access. Now at this point, you need to create your business profile or your company setup. Now, once you have successfully set up your company profile, now this is going to be the perfect opportunity for us to explore the QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise. Now, obviously, the home screen is going to be your main dashboard. It visually maps out the workflows like sales orders, customers, vendors, pay bills, company, and a lot more. It's a great starting point for accessing major tasks quickly, like if you wanted to create an invoice or an employee or even paying bills. The company it shows the business details of your company and the legit contact info. All right. And the next is going to be the cash flow hub, providing a real-time view of cash inflows and outflows, helping you monitor the money going in, like customer payments. Now, you see that there's two options. If you are the admin and you're not the admin, you can sign in for both. The income tracker is where you can track your income related transactions like estimates here, open invoices, time expenses, and a lot more, which offers a visual, filterable table, making it easy to follow up on what you own. The bill tracker is my favorite because the bill tracker gives you information about the current billing. All right. And the calendar displays all the past and upcoming transactions by date right here. You can select a day right now, which is useful for spotting deadlines, missed payments, or upcoming bills and tasks. You can click on entries to view or edit any selection right here, right? And then after that is the snapshot. It's a visual dashboards that show key business metrics at a glance, including company snapshot, payment snapshot, and customer snapshot, which is ideal for, like, for example, this one right here. It's ideal for quick business health checks using charts, lists, and summaries. The customers is where you manage customer information and transaction. As you can see, if you wanted to add a new customer, all I have to do is provide all the information needed. For example, our customer is going to be, say, in this scenario, you can do that. Click the OK button. All right. You can include creating invoices here, receiving payments, and a lot more. Obviously, the vendors is where you handle everything related to purchasing and expenses. If you want to add a new transaction right here, enter bills if you want. All right. You can also create a new vendor if you wanted. There's a lot that you can do from here. You can enter bills, pay, and a lot more. The employees are obviously used for tracking employee information. It's really good for running payroll if enabled, all right? So that requires a subscription plan and preparing tax forms like W-2s. If you want to add a new employee, manage employee information, you can do that. You can also view payroll history at this point. The good thing is that you can print paychecks, send pay stubs, and a lot more. The bank feeds on the bottom right here allows you to connect to your bank and credit cards to QuickBooks. Now, I'm going to skip this for now because I don't have any bank associated with my QuickBooks, but it gives you the option to download transactions directly and match or add them to your books, saving time on manual entry, which is kind of really good, right? The docs is where you can manage system built into QuickBooks. You can add your first document to QuickBooks via your computer or mobile, depending on your preferences, right? Which is great for keeping your records audit ready and paperless. Obviously, the reports is where you can generate financial and management reports, including profit loss, balance sheet, and a lot more. For example, this one right here. If you want that, you can run right here. You can run on the report right here, and you can have all the essentials for decision making and compliance, right? The App Center offers third-party apps and integrations that work with QuickBooks. You can find several tools here for inventory, CRM, time tracking, e-commerce, and a lot more. You have all these. For example, Method CRM, invoice tracking, time tracking, and basically there's a lot. And of course, the Add Payroll is a shortcut to activate or upgrade QuickBooks payroll services. Right now, we're not using a paid service, so we're not gonna be able to use that. But if you do, it's kind of like useful if you want to automate employee pay, file payroll taxes, and generate tax forms. The last is gonna be the credit card. It is used to track credit card accounts, enter charges, make payments, and reconcile statements, which is kind of useful to help credit expenses and properly recorded and paid. All right. Next section is going to be the feedback section, which is if you have a feedback particularly to QuickBooks, you might want to put in some information here. All right. So, with that being said, and that's a wrap on our dive into QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise. If you are running a mid sized to large business and need robust financial tools with room to grow, QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise is definitely worth the investment. But just make sure you have a dedicated system and some training in place to maximize all its features. Again, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more practical tech and software guides right here in our channel. Hey, drop a comment below if you have used QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise before, or if you have any questions. We'd love to hear from you, and of course your experiences can help out. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Until then, stay smart, stay organized, and keep mastering your tool.